You know, on Idea Defense 101, I try to heed my own advice and keep my content original. That includes drawings, as you've seen, but also sound effects. I'm going to show you how easy it can be to make your own sound effects for a video. Take, for example, the Season 2 finale of Idea Defense 101, where we saw Victor shooting laser beams out of his eye sockets at Dr. IP. You probably thought to yourself, gee, where did those great laser beam sound effects come from? Well, even if you didn't, I'm going to show you what the original sound was. Here's how it sounded on the finished film. But when we remove the pitch, reverb, and distortion filters and set the clip back to its original speed, we find this is how I created that sound. Pew! That's right. It was me saying, pew! And now you know.